Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode today. For Appies with Chappy by the lake, I'm going to do burnt end nachos. So first up, I'm going to go to one of my most favorite places for burnt ends. I'm going to go all the way down to Missoula, Montana, and I'm going to go to a barbecue franchise named Famous Dave's. They have excellent burnt ends. So I'm going to go there, have a little snack, and then order some extra burnt ends, and then I'm just going to dump it on nachos. So coming up next, we're going to go to Famous Dave's in Missoula, Montana, and then I'll show you how I made my nachos, and then we'll come back here for Appies with Chappy by the lake, and we'll make a drink. So stay tuned for that. nachos, and we're going to have a little drink. So I'm going to make a Mandarin Moscow Mule. So we're going to do a little bit of muddling today. So I just have the bottom half of a cocktail shaker. I'm going to put some lime quarters in. And because it's a Mandarin Orange Moscow Mule, we're going to put some Mandarin oranges in. And put a little bit of liquid. I have some triple sec simple syrup. So triple sec is an orange flavored liqueur. This is just a simple syrup, so it's basically an orange flavored simple syrup. I haven't used it before, but it looks pretty orange. So put that in with the liquid of my muddled lime and Mandarin oranges. All right, that's all muddled up. You got lots of liquid in there. All right, so any good Moscow Mule, you need a copper mug. It keeps it extra cold. I already got some ice in here, and we're just gonna pour it over ice. And again, it's a Mandarin Moscow Mule, so I got some Mandarin Absolute vodka. I haven't tried this before either. Ooh, it smells very nice, very refreshing. We'll do about 2 ounces of the Mandarin vodka, and then I got some orange flavored Angostura bitters. 2 dashes of that. And then we'll get our muddled liquid in there. So this is, again, is just triple sec simple syrup, Mandarin oranges, and fresh limes all muddled. It's like a nice orange juice. Get all that gorgeous liquid in there. All right, and then a basic Moscow Mule, you need ginger beer, basic ginger beer, lime, and vodka. So I got a nice ginger beer. It's actually a low-calorie ginger beer today, so we'll probably do about 2 ounces of ginger beer. One if you don't really like the kick in the Moscow Mule. And then to complete my Mandarin, and then to complete the Mandarinness of the Mandarin Moscow Mule, I have some Mandarin flavored Mexican soda. All right, so we'll finish it off with the Mandarin Mexican soda. And then I have some nice fresh mandarins as a garnish. See. Got some nice fresh mandarins as a garnish. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy, and this is Mookie. Make sure to hit that notification bell. We have a new episode every Friday. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.